Hello everyone. I'm here to help you to select your career options if you are going to opt science as subject in class 11th or you are already a science student. First of all, I will explain all the options available with physics, chemistry and mathematics. Later, I will explain opportunities available for PCB students. So let's have a look. Most sorted career after 12th non-medical is engineering. You can go for computer science, information technology, mechanical engineering, civil engineering, electronics and communication engineering, electrical engineering, aeronautical engineering. It is a 4-year degree program to secure job in MNCs, government sector and many other fields. The aspirants need to appear for the joint entrance exam JEE after 12th. This exam is conducted by CBSE. All the government colleges, IITs, NITs, UIETs and private colleges shortlist students according to their JEE rank. Next option is B Architecture. You can say B Arch. This course is similar to BTech. Admission process and eligibility is same. This is a 5-year program. Students learn architectural facts deeply. Course includes designing, drawing and planning everything in a best way. Job opportunities after this course are vast in government organizations and architectural firms. Next option for science students is commercial pilot. For that, you can get training for any aviation institute in your region. Or you can go for BSc in aviation science. Then you can apply for job openings in this field. Next option that attracts the science students is NDA, National Defense Academy. NDA trains the 3 cadets, Army, Navy and Air Force. Entrance exam, interview and medical processes are followed for the selection of candidates. Final decision is made on the basis of merit. UPSC organizes the entrance of NDA twice a year for non-medical students. Age limit to become eligible is 19 years. Science students can get admissions in BSc or BTech over there, and after successful completion they will be deputed to their concerned job areas. Next is the career in nautical science. The study of navigation and seamanship can offer you an exciting career opportunity. The course offered is approved by Indian government. It is a 3-year long course. This course makes you a deck officer and there are other roles too. Next, you can go for 3-year degree course BSc with specialization in mathematics, physics, chemistry, agriculture, home science, computer science, information technology, statistics and forensic. Forensic is an emerging branch of science and is in latest trends. Now, let's go through the areas available for PCB students. PCB, physics, chemistry and biology. MBBS, it is the first preference of medical students. It is a 5.5 years program. After qualifying NEET exam or PMT state level exam, you can get admission in this course and can fulfill your dreams to be a doctor. If by chance you don't get admission in MBBS, then next option is BDS, Bachelor of Dental Surgery. It is a 5-year program. Then you have BAMS, Bachelor of Ayurveda, Medicine and Surgery. It is a 5.5 years long program and is in the latest trends because people are getting attracted towards natural medicines nowadays. Next career option for medical students is B Pharma. It is a 4-year program. If you want to be a drug inspector or you want to go for manufacturing of medicines, then this field is suitable for you. BSc Nursing. If you want to serve patients in a hospital, then go for it. It is a 4-year course. Demand of BSc Nursing is all around the globe. Next option is BPT, Bachelor of Physiotherapy. It's a 4.5 years program. You can get admission through CET exam. In today's scenario, almost every person needs physiotherapy due to overuse of technical instruments and machine lifestyle. Next option is BUMS, Bachelor of Unani Medicines and Surgery. It is a 5-year program. Entrance exam for this is conducted by CCIM. You can be a pharmacist, lecturer, researcher or therapist after doing this. BMLT, Bachelor in Medical Lab and Technology. It is a 3-year program. You can get job in any lab or can work as disease analyst, technician and many other roles are there too. D Pharma. If you want to open a shop of medicines, then it's a 2-year course. BSc in Biotechnology, Biochemistry or Marine Biology are other fields available for medical students. So these are most prevalent areas where you can find your career after studying physics, chemistry, maths and biology. I hope this information will help you a lot to select your career course. Thank you so much.